Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are diving into something that is totally changing how we get around and enjoy the outdoors. E-bikes. They're awesome, right? But even with all the excitement, there are a few common mistakes that can really ruin the fun. So, let's talk about the 5 e-bike pitfalls that, believe it or not, so many riders are still making. First up, and this is a big one, is neglecting proper maintenance. Seriously, think of your e-bike like a car. It needs regular TLC, ignoring things like tire pressure, brake checks, or keeping the chain clean and lube can lead to poor performance, faster wear and tear, and even safety issues. A quick check before each ride and a proper service every now and then makes a huge difference. Mistake number 2 is all about battery management. We all love that electric boost, but being careless with your battery can seriously shorten its life. This means avoiding extreme heat or cold, not letting it sit completely dead for long periods, and always using the correct charger. Understanding your battery's needs ensures you get the most out of every charge and keeps your e-bike ready for your next adventure. Next, let's talk about gears and assist levels. A lot of riders, especially new ones, tend to just crank it up to the highest assist level and leave it there. While it feels powerful, it is actually less efficient and might not be the safest choice on tricky terrain or in traffic. Learning to use the different assist levels strategically not only saves your battery, but also gives you a better control and makes for a more engaging ride. It's about working with the bike, not just having it do all the work for you. The 4th common mistake is skipping the safety gear. We're talking helmets, of course, but also lights, reflective clothing, and even gloves. E-bikes can get going much faster than regular bikes, so being visible and protected is absolutely non-negotiable. Don't let a small oversight turn into a major problem. And finally, mistake number 5 is not knowing the local rules and etiquette. Laws for e-bikes can change from place to place, covering where you can ride, speed limits, and what even counts as an e-bike. Being informed means you riding legally and respectfully, which keeps things positive for everyone on the roads and trails. Fixing these 5 things will truly elevate your e-biking experience, making it safer, more enjoyable, and ensuring your bike lasts longer. It's all about being a smart and responsible rider. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Ride safe and happy trails.